What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started. Today, we're talking about Immersion Corporation, ticker symbol IMMR. So first, let's talk about what this company does. Immersion Corporation creates, designs, develops, and licenses haptic technologies in North America, Europe, and Asia. Its technologies allow people to use their sense of touch to engage with various digital products. The company offers technology licenses, patent licenses, and combined licenses. In addition, the company offers design tools, application programming interfaces, reference designs, and firmware for haptic experiences to branded device and other products. Further, the company licenses its patents to implement the licensed software to customers. Additionally, it provides engineering and integration services, design kits for prototyping, authoring tools, and platform-independent solutions. Now this is where it gets interesting. The company offers its products to mobile communications, wearables, and consumer electronics, consoles and PC gaming, automotive, and medical markets. So can you guess whose technology Sony is using in their PS5 controllers? That's right, they're using Immersion Corporation's haptic technology. This is huge for this small cap company. Now this is directly from their earnings call recently. This is what the management said. In games, we remain excited about the PlayStation 5 launch on November 12th. As previously announced, Sony Interactive Entertainment has licensed and the PlayStation 5's DualSense controllers utilize Immersion technology. Immersion collects a royalty from each controller, and we expect more than one controller will ship per console over time to support multiplayer gaming and to replace worn-out controllers. The DualSense controllers are already available at retail ahead of the PlayStation 5 console launch. So it's one thing getting royalties, but people still need to buy the PS5 for them to make money, correct? Well folks, PS5 has had the biggest launch month for video game hardware history. According to the analyst group, the PlayStation 5 is the best-selling console launch in US history, selling more consoles and making more money than any previous game console launch. The previous record holder was the PS4 back in November 2013. Now this is even more important. Along with the PS5 taking the title of Best Console Launch, the DualSense controller also had the best launch of any controller in terms of units sold and dollars made for Sony. The DualSense includes haptic feedback technology. Now this is the technology Immersion has created, and this has never been seen before on a console controller, allowing developers to impart the feeling of a game directly to the user. Sony expects to sell 7.6 million units by March 2021, and it'll sell for years. And remember, you sell more controllers than you sell units. And to top this off, their controllers can also be used for PC games. Now, as if this wasn't enough, there are rumors that Sony is working on a PSVR 2, and one of the biggest likely features is haptic feedback, which is a tech manufactured by Immersion Corporation. This is also tied in with a VR glove that was patented by Sony, which is set to utilize haptic technology, suggesting it's looking to evolve its VR headset for the next generation. If this is true, that's more revenue heading to Immersion Corporation in the years to follow. Now, let's take a look at their financials. This is a company that's already cash flow positive, and just look at their debt to equity ratio. They have zero debt. IMMR has sufficient cash runway for more than 3 years based on its current free cash flow. And also, they have sufficient cash runway for more than 3 years if free cash flow continues to reduce at historical rates of 9.6%, which is highly unlikely to happen. And take a look at this. Earnings are forecasted to grow 214.28% per year, which is insane amounts of growth. 214.28%. Now, this is 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28%. 214.28% So we already know that PS5 and the controllers are going to do extremely well in terms of sales in 2021, and as a direct consequence, Immersion is going to benefit immensely. But the question is, how good is this new PS5 controller and Immersion's technology? Well, just go online and search for PS5 controller review, and you'll see numerous articles and reviews praising how PS5's new controller is game-changing. And all of this technology is owned by IMMR, Immersion Corporation. Immersion's DualSense technology is such a success that it's even getting praise from its competitors. This is what Xbox head Phil Spencer had to say. So let's have a look at IMMR's chart. So as we can see, it's currently trading at $9.15. Now, this is a pretty good price considering that its all-time high used to be at around $15. Considering the incoming growth in the next few quarters, I expect this stock to at least double, if not go 3x. I'm definitely expecting it to double in 6 months, and then maybe 3x in the next year. So as we can see, they have pretty good analyst ratings as well. Most of them are saying that this stock is either a strong buy or a buy, and with only one analyst saying that it's a hold. If you look at this 1.5 rating, it's pretty good. So guys, that's it for me in this video. I'm extremely bullish about this company, and there's no one talking about it on YouTube at the moment. Let me know what you guys think. Am I missing something big here? Are you going to invest in this company? Leave a comment below and let me know. Personally, I'm going to invest in this company, and I'll keep buying under $10. I hope you found this video useful and you found some value. If you did, please do subscribe and like the video. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. That's it from me. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.